Welcome to another musical theater choreography video. In these weekly videos, I teach you some steps that are commonly used in musical theater choreography, and then I put them together in a combo so you can practice stringing them together with other steps. Hi, I'm Emery. I am a musical theater director, choreographer, educator, enthusiast, and today I'm here to help you learn some new steps that include some kicks. In today's combo, we're gonna keep the kicks nice and low, just get used to moving our feet in that fashion, but as you progress, you can start kicking higher and higher as much as you are comfortable with. So let's start dancing. Okay, first thing we wanna look at when we're doing kicks is that anytime your foot is coming off the ground, it is in a nice pointed extension here. Okay, so I've got my foot pointed, it is not flexed up like this. If it's coming off the ground in a kick, I've got a pointed toe going with that kick. Just do a couple with me, lifting it off the floor, making sure you're pointing your feet as they're coming off the ground. So I'm just flicking from my knee, little kicks like this. You can make these as high as you would like. You can go all the way up if you're that flexible. Go for it, but it's a little flick from the knee. Okay, kick, kick. Good, so we're gonna do two different kick steps. Step, kick, step, touch. So make sure you have a little bit of room forward and backward of yourself. We're gonna go step on your right, kick your left, step on your left, touch your right. Step on your right, kick your left, step on your left, touch your right. Step, kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. Let's try that with the other foot. So we're gonna step on our left. Step, kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. I'm just gonna do it this way so you can see. Step, kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. And on the other foot, step, kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. Excellent. Nice job, everybody. All right, we're gonna try one more other step with a kick. This is called a kick ball change. A ball change is a step back and step front. We've done these in previous videos when we practiced our chasses. So a ball change is just back, front, back, front. When we add our kick, we're gonna do kick with your right, back with your right, step with your left. Kick, back, step. Kick, ball, change. Kick, back, step. Kick, ball, change. Let's try it on our left. So we're gonna kick our left, step back on our left, and step on our right. Kick, ball, change. Kick, back, step. Kick, ball, change. Kick, back, step. Again, I'll show it this way so you can see. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Another foot. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Good. So our combo today is going to start with the step, kick, step, touch. So we're going to step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. 2 times. Then we're going cross, point, cross, point, cross, point, together. All right, let's do those 2 steps together. Step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, cross, point, together. All right, nice and centered. Let's try it again. Step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, cross, point, together. Now it's time for the kick ball changes. So we just step together. We're going to pick up our right, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. There's 4 of those. So we just did cross, touch, cross, touch, cross, touch. Together, hold, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. So those 3 steps together. Step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, cross, touch, cross, touch, stand. Kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Then you're going to put your feet together. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. So we did kick, ball, change, heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. One more time transitioning there. So 4 kick ball changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. Then for the final pose, brush forward, brush back, toe. From the kickball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, brush, brush, toe. So in true Emery fashion, it is a little bit faster than that with the music, so let's give it a try. All right, let's do this. Step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, crosses. Kick, ball, change. Heels, toes, heels next. Brush, brush, toe. I warned you it was faster. I'm so sorry. Let's try it again. Ready, and step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, crosses. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, brush, brush, toe. Pause and practice there if you need to, and then we're gonna do another one through where I'm not gonna call it out, we're just gonna dance it together. Sounds good? Nice work on the combo. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was lovely to have you. I hope you had fun dancing and kicking. And if you did have fun, if you could click the like and subscribe buttons, that really helps me out. And I would love to see you back next week for more dancing goodness. Jazz hands. We'll see you later. Bye.